Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. I just received my Halo band in the size large with the rose gold, if it'll focus, rose gold. Yeah, anyways, so here's the box. This is the outside, and that's what's included. This is all of the info. Talks about the voice tone, activity, sleep, body composition, and all that good stuff. And here's the other side of the box. And this is, again, the front of the box. Here's the bottom, all that info. There's the top. So let's unbox. Here we go. Some sticky there. This one here goes this way. Sorry about the shaking. I've got my cell phone, so I'm using this here. So here it is. Oh, we got one more little sticker here. So I got on the wait list. I was able to purchase this, and I think I purchased for like $69. Now I think they're $99. So there we go. There it is. We have this, and then inside we have the charging cables and this clip, which I guess this is where you clip the band to. Oh geez, sorry. Didn't mean to scare you. So you see it clips like right in there. You can see that. So that is the unboxing. That's it. What's in here? Some info. Meet your Halo. That. There's this. It's going to be interesting, especially the voice thing. Okay, and then this is the last page. Here is the back, all the info, all the legal stuff that they gotta tell you. You know, just the how to clean it, compliance, and all the mumbo jumbo. And that's it. So you guys, that's it. I'm gonna take it out. I have to download the app, and then I'm gonna play with it a little bit. So thank you for watching. We'll talk to you later. Bye bye.